Wagner is delighted to introduce you to the powerful all-round sprayer for DIY enthusiasts, the Airless Sprayer Plus. The device enables you to spray a wide variety of paints, from wall and ceiling emulsion to wood and metal paints and much more. Its high coverage rate coats very large surfaces quickly and ensures you achieve an even application of paint. Paint is pumped directly from the large hopper, so you can paint up to 50 square meters without needing to refill. The light airless spray gun sits comfortably in your hand and guarantees a professional finish with minimal effort. Say farewell to the laborious cutting in of corners and edges. The Airless Sprayer Plus coats them with ease. A carrying handle and lightweight components take the strain out of moving the device between jobs. The Airless Sprayer Plus is just as versatile when it comes to exterior applications. The 10-meter-long high-pressure hose offers flexibility and allows you to spray even very large surfaces easily. From water to solvent-based paints, from renovating, decorating or protecting surfaces, the Airless Sprayer Plus always gives you a superior finish which lasts. The double filter system guarantees you a trouble-free operation. The Airless Sprayer Plus, a high-performance sprayer for professional results you can be proud of. Before you start, remove, cover or mask any objects you don't want to spray. Then dilute the paint if required and stir thoroughly. Before you start using your device, ensure you read the operating instructions. Firstly, position the handle over the frame of the device. Insert the screws and tighten the wing nuts over the retaining washers. Then screw one end of the high-pressure hose onto the outlet valve and tighten it using an adjustable wrench. Screw the other end of the hose onto the spray gun. Hold the spray gun with one wrench and tighten the nut on the hose using a spanner. Select the appropriate filter and nozzle for your chosen application and connect them to the device. To ensure the perfect operation of the inlet valve, press the tab on the filter, then fill the hopper with the mixed paint. The first time you use your device, detach the return hose and hold it above an empty container. Set the switch to prime and then switch it on. Once the preserving liquid has run off, switch it off. Replace the return hose onto the tank. Then twist off the nozzle holder, remove the clip and switch the device on. Turn the switch to spray. When the paint starts to come out, switch back to prime and turn the device off. You can now screw the nozzle holder back on again. To familiarize yourself with the operation of the device and to check the seals, we recommend you fill the system with water first. You should also practice spraying on a piece of cardboard before you start. Another important point, whenever you take a break from your work, always make sure you lock the gun. This will make it quicker and easier to clean your Airless Sprayer Plus once you have finished. To release the pressure, set the switch to prime. Then empty the tank by pouring the paint back into the original container. Lock the gun, remove the nozzle and the red nozzle holder, and place the parts in a container filled with water or a cleaning agent. To clean the tank, fill it with water or a cleaning agent. Now unlock the gun. Press the trigger and switch the pump on. To avoid wasting any material, spray any unused paint back into the original container. Switching from prime to spray increases the volume of paint pumped. Then hold the spray gun over an empty bucket and press the trigger until only clear liquid comes out. Finally, set the switch to prime and press the trigger again to release the pressure from the device. Clean the tank using a cloth and cleaning solution. Also, remove the inlet filter from the base of the tank and clean it. Then fill the tank with fresh cleaning solution, move the switch to prime and allow the solution to circulate. The device then cleans itself. All you need to do now is clean the spray gun and its components. For special paint applications, other filters, nozzles and a nozzle extension are available as accessories. The nozzle extension accessory makes light work of spraying walls and ceilings. You don't even need to use a ladder. Here are some tips and tricks. Check the filter in the spray gun regularly for any holes. Release the pressure from the device, remove the filter and clean it. If you notice any holes in the filter, replace it with a new one. For your own safety, we recommend you wear a face mask and goggles. This is particularly important when working with solvent-based wood and metal paints. Pay attention to the room temperature when spraying. Preheating paints makes them easier to spray. If required, you can dilute your paint with warm water. To ensure uniform coverage, maintain a constant distance from the surface. Keep your movements consistent and overlap the previous spray by around a third each time. Do not start the gun until after you have started your movement, and release the trigger before the end of the movement. If the nozzle becomes clogged up, turn the switch to spray and rotate the reversible nozzle by 180 degrees. Then unlock the spray gun, point it at a piece of spare wood or cardboard and press the trigger to remove the blockage. A uniform finish can easily be achieved even when using difficult paints and on very absorbent surfaces. In these circumstances, start by applying the paint from top to bottom and then from left to right. If you notice any streaks, it is a good idea to dilute the paint. For more information, visit www.wagner-group.com. Bring color into your life with Wagner.